So first things first, you're gonna put these in it. You get 12 of these right here, and it has the little leaves with the little lilies as well. And I put them in at an angle, and I did 6 in this one, and then I'm gonna do 6 in this one. Now that these are all in, I'm gonna put in just the leaves, and you get 6 of those. So I'm gonna do 3 in each, and then I'm gonna start fanning everything out and draping it down. If any of these come off while you're pulling them out the bag that they're in when they arrive, it's very easy to find the missing one and just clip them back in. They do have, if you look at it here, they do have a little spot right there. Here it is, a spot right here where it can kind of clip in and hold it in place. So I think they look really cute, and I'm excited to put these up. All right, so here they are all hanging. The little hooks go into the already drilled hole in the bowl planters. It looks really nice from above, looking down on it. The pink is very vibrant, and it looks really cute, and I really like these. I'm glad the company sent me these to review.